everyone, and welcome back to the Scrile Connect channel. Before we dive into today's topic, we want to ask you for your support. Whether you like or dislike this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down and leave a comment to share your honest feedback. Your input helps us grow and choose the most demanded topics for our audience. And now, let's get started. Today, we're talking about the OnlyFans stigma and how to avoid it by creating your own content monetization website. But first, let's discuss the source of the OnlyFans stigma. OnlyFans is a platform where creators can share exclusive content with their fans for a subscription fee. Although the platform hosts various types of content, it gained widespread popularity as a platform for adult content creators, including sex workers, which led to the stigma. Many people face difficulties working on or considering OnlyFans due to this stigma. These difficulties include reputation concerns. Creators worry about the potential damage to their personal or professional reputation. Audience perception. People may assume creators' content is adult-oriented simply because they use OnlyFans. Limitations on growth and collaboration. The stigma may limit the ability to attract a wider audience or potential collaborations with other creators or brands. These challenges may prompt creators to consider alternatives to OnlyFans. One great alternative to OnlyFans is starting your own website using a platform like Scrile Connect. Scrile Connect allows you to create a website for content monetization, avoiding the OnlyFans stigma while enjoying several benefits. Let's talk about the benefits of starting your own website with Scrile Connect. Personal branding. You have full control over your brand from design to promotion and monetization. Diversified revenue streams. You can explore various monetization options which are not available on OnlyFans, like private one-to-one calls. Professional image. A self-hosted website helps you present a more professional and polished appearance. Flexibility and customization. You have the freedom to experiment with different content formats and promotional strategies. Direct audience relationship. Communicate directly with your audience without interference from third-party platforms. Independence from platform policies. Avoid being subject to changing policies or restrictions imposed by third-party platforms. Better SEO and discoverability. Improve your search engine optimization, making it easier for potential fans to find your content. So, if you're looking to avoid the OnlyFans stigma and take control of your content monetization, consider starting your own website using Scrile Connect. It offers numerous benefits and can help you grow your brand while maintaining a professional image. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like or dislike and leave your comment with your feedback. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!